Okay, so what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Edifier X3 to U series. Yeah, and I have it here with me today. So let's get straight to the video. So guys, here we have the Edifier X3. As you can see here, focus. That's the 2U series. So I'm going to be reading out the specs real quick before we go into what we have here. Okay, so you can see it has a touch control, and the battery it says it lasts, that should be okay, 6 to 18 hours playtime, and that's nice. And it comes with Bluetooth version 5.0. It is IP55 dust and waterproof, so at least it should be able to shield you from, it should not be affected by rain or sweat. And it also has a voice assistant. Oh, that's really nice. So let's get straight to pull this out of the container. Let's know what you have here. And you can see it's really packaged in a very nice container. Yeah, I forgot to say it also comes with a Type-C charging case. Yeah, so Type-C charging case. So let's pull it out of it. Okay, so whoa. So that's nice. So here we have our beauties. So you can see how good they are looking. So I think this should be the ash colored version. I think I've seen one of the brown version. I think it comes in 3 different colors. Yeah, it comes in 3 different colors. The ash colored version. This is the charging case, USB Type-C charging case. So what do we have in the case? Let's look at that real quick before we get back to our beauties here. So let's look at what's next. What else do we have? As you can see in the container, it wrote accessory. So let's go on to see what we have in the case. Okay, of course, this is the Edifier user manual. Yeah, that's the user manual. Nice. So what else do we have in the case? The accessory case, and we have okay, this should be the different heads. That's what will I call it, as different mouths you can plug into your ear, with different heads points you can plug in to your ear. This is actually smaller than the one it came with. It's actually smaller than the one it came with. Okay, and what next do we have in the box? We have our USB Type-C cable for charging our charging container here. So with what I know, this container actually charges between 1 to 5. Okay, it should be 1.5 hours here. It charges between 1.5 hours. As you can see, it's a USB Type-C. This is the gray version. This should be gray in color. Yeah, if I'm right. This is the gray version. And these beasts, these babies we have here, they're really nice. So as you can see, it is a touch type. Just by touching it, there is no button anywhere, as you can see. So let's go on to test if the container is maybe it is charged. Let's know if we can power up one of these. All right. Okay, and it is just that simple to put in. It is just that simple to put in. So tell me why you should not get this, guys. So this is really nice. This is really nice. And you know, some of the earbuds I've seen, a lot of them have this issue of not being able to close properly when the earbuds are in or ear dots are in. And actually this one has really impressed me. As you can see, its case and its charger is really tight, it's really sealed in, and which means you can actually put it in your pocket and be rest assured that it will be safe in there without coming out to dangle out of your pocket or something like that. So this is really nice, guys. So what do you think about this? What do you think about the Edifier X3 2 series? What do you think about the Edifier X3 2U series? It's really a nice, I think a really a nice ear dot. So what do you think about it, guys? Drop it in the comment section below, and if you've not subscribed, please, I would like you to subscribe, leave a like on this video, and catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.